Hi friends, this is Shree, your mentor. Today we are talking about the words which you can use instead of very. Let's get started. Instead of very excited, you can use thrill. Thrill. I was thrilled to receive an unexpected promotion at work. Instead of very heavy, you can use laden. Laden. He walked towards the examination room with laden feet.
Very hard to find. Rare. Rare. Finding a four-leaf flower is quite rare, but it's considered bring good luck.
Instead of very smart, you can use intelligent. Intelligent. He is an intelligent student who consistently earns top grades in all of his classes. Instead of very lazy, you can use indolent. Indolent. His indolent attitude and lack of motivation led poor performance at work. You can reach me at 94160 58255. Email Shree Academy 42@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Happy learning with Shree Academy.